What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking all about how to clean up the audio in your videos. Roll the intro. Roll the intro. I do a lot of run and gun filmmaking, whether it be weddings or travel films of some sort. It's always a toss-up of what my audio situation is going to be like. A lot of times, even the higher quality microphones are going to pick up some sort of air conditioning or room noise or anything else that's trying to ruin your life. The rule is, if you have bad audio, unfortunately, you're going to have a bad film. So luckily, I have come across this amazing program that makes my life so much easier, and it is called Izotope. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. No one cares how you pronounce it. All we care about is getting clean audio. Let's move forward. The first clip is an indoor ceremony site for a wedding. It was a hot summer day, so the AC was on blast, as the kids would say. Let's take a listen to that beautiful AC noise.
The union of Joshua David Sizemore and Erica Elizabeth Edwards in marriage.
Yep, very terrible. So for this clip, I'm using a Tascam lav mic, which is not a bad mic, but at the same time, not super high end. What I like to do first before I clean up any audio is, and this is just a preference, is I like to add a voice enhancer effect over the audio clip first. This gives the audio more of a studio-like sound. The reason why I add this effect first is so that Izotope can clean the enhanced audio and take that out, rather than enhancing any unwanted noise that may have been left in. Hopefully that makes some sense. I'm going to select a small clip of this audio, control-click, hover over Learn, then click Spectral Denoise, or Denoise if you're not French. What it's doing here is it's learning the audio that you want taken out. Then you will select the entire audio clip, select Spectral Denoise on the sidebar. The settings that I have here seem to work fine. I haven't really needed to tweak them. I just make sure that the slider bar is on best, then I render this bad boy out. Once it's done, I replace the old audio file with the new one, and let's give this new audio a listen.
The union of Joshua David Sizemore and Erica Elizabeth Edwards.
For this next clip, I was doing some filming for Universal Studios Resorts. We were filming in a really loud resort lobby area. For this clip, I was using a Tascam lav mic as well, and I was almost positive that this audio was going to be absolutely unusable and that we'd have to do some sort of voiceover edit afterwards, something super inconvenient. But to my surprise, after throwing this clip into Izotope, it took some very unusable audio and actually made it really usable.
There's so many benefits of staying at an on-site resort that you won't want to consider anywhere else when you're at Universal. There's so many benefits of staying at an on-site resort that you won't want to consider anywhere else when you're at Universal.
For my last example, I'm going to clean up the audio from my studio. So I haven't done any sort of soundproofing yet here in my studio space, and there's a lot of room noise, there's a lot of echo, the audio is really rough in here. So let's clean it up. So I have a Rode NTG2 on a boom stand, so the audio for this example will be a little bit more high-end than the Tascam lav mics. For this audio, we're not only gonna need to get rid of the room noise, but we're also gonna need to get rid of this terrible echo. So for room noise, you wanna follow the same steps as shown earlier, and for the echo, it's pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna highlight a piece of audio that the echo is very noticeable, then control-click, learn, and then click de-reverb. Now, if you're not careful, this will make you sound like you're a robot, which shouldn't be like a goal that you're going for. Now, I haven't quite mastered the settings of de-reverb in this program. I'm still trying to find the perfect recipe, but I do at least have it to where I'm satisfied with the final result. Now, I agree that I do still sound a little robot-y here, but once you add some music, thank you, music elves, the robot-y sound should be barely noticeable. This program has completely saved so many of my film projects. The RX7 Standard, which is the name of the package that I bought from Izotope, goes for $400, which I know isn't cheap, but if you're doing a lot of film work, I would say that this program is well worth the investment. Remember, bad audio means a bad film, unless, of course, you're making like a silent film, which you don't need audio, which makes me question why you even clicked this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if this helped you at all, please, please, please like and subscribe. I promise you, it really helps. I will see you later. Why did I do that? See you later, guys.